kind of feel like a magician with this. You know, they have these special things that they use during their shows. I can't do that. What's up everybody, this is Mike, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the Insta360 One X, my first ever 360 camera that I've ever used. After watching my Insta360 One X review, Insta360 were kind enough to send me some other accessories for this camera, and I want to talk about them very briefly in today's video. So first things first, let me start from the more normal accessories. They got me 2 extra batteries, as I mentioned that the battery life is a bit short. So they were kind enough to send me 2 more batteries so I can enjoy more of the Insta360 footage. And they also sent me a dual battery charging dock, which is a very useful thing. Now that I have 3 batteries in total, I will be able to always charge 2 batteries and keep one in the camera itself. So all of this is very nicely packaged. It looks very interesting, very high quality, as the same as the regular camera. They are really good with the packaging. Once you open the package, you see some cards. Yeah, now you see them, now you don't. Anyway, you see all of your information guides, you have all of your cables. This is the charging dock itself, and I've been waiting to open these so I can show you on camera. I didn't want to open them before I show them to you. So this is the charging dock, and it has space for 2 batteries, and you also have the micro USB slot for charging on the side, and that's it. It's like a little cube that holds the batteries, and the batteries themselves, nothing really that interesting to show you, it's just a battery. But here we go, this is the battery itself, and now I have 3 in total. I don't want to brag, I just want to thank Insta360 for sending me these accessories, but honestly the most interesting accessory they've also sent me on top of these of this charger and those 2 batteries is this one. Check this out. It says extended selfie stick for the Insta360 One X, and at first I was like, wow, what a package. I wonder why is this that big, and then I saw that it says 300 centimeters. So that's 3 meters long, which is extremely long for a selfie stick. And let me show you what we have inside. So once you open this tube, makes this really nice sound. You get this this little carrying pouch, I would say, that holds the entire selfie stick. And once you take that out, you are greeted with this stick. And once you just pull it very, very gently, you start opening the selfie stick. And my room is not big enough to show you, but it goes on and on and on and on. And this thing is really insane. When you open it all the way out, I can knock on my door, which is a couple meters away, and this thing is insane, simply because as soon as you extend your arms all the way out, this thing becomes like 4 meters long. And the shots that you're able to take with this selfie stick are just amazing. I personally think the best way to use a selfie stick like this is to use it over water, or maybe go to a building that is very, very high and extend your arm all the way out until your camera is in the air. And it looks kind of like a drone shot, kind of like a GoPro shot, something in the middle. It's very, very interesting. I love using that, although it's an interesting look if you are outside filming with this. One guy asked me if that's a fishing pole and asked me how much fish I have I was able to get today. So that says enough, I think. But generally this thing is very, very solid, and I'm not afraid at all to mount my camera on top. And let me show you very quickly. You just mount it on top, and as soon as you open the selfie stick, the camera is very, very solid on it. And you can of course use this in a shorter way. You don't need to extend it all the way out for its full 3 meters of distance. You can just use half of it or just 1/3 of the selfie stick. And the cool thing is that there are different sections of this selfie stick that you can extend, and when you twist them, they tighten so they don't move. As you can see, this thing is very, very interesting. I went out to test this, of course, and you will see how ridiculous I look with it. But luckily, I was able to grab some nice footage, and I'm quite happy with the possibilities that this thing can give you. I don't think I will be using it a lot, but for some situations, I think this could be very, very useful to have. I will link it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. If you think you have something interesting that you can film with your Insta360 One X with this selfie stick. Normally they have this original selfie stick that is a lot more normal looking, but this one is definitely very, very different. And it can give you the chance to grab some really unique looking shots. One thing that I really appreciate in this selfie stick is the fact that even if you extend it all the way out, the camera stays very solid, and I don't feel scared that my camera is going to drop or break from this mounting point. So that's definitely reassuring when you start filming with this selfie stick. I kind of feel like a magician with this. You know, they have these special things that they use during their shows. I can't do that. But anyway, I really like this accessory. I think it's a bit ridiculous, but I still enjoyed testing it out, and I definitely plan to use it for some shots. And I just wanted to let you know that this thing is actually quite a lot of fun, that it exists. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I will be linking it in the description. And once again, I want to thank Insta360 for sending these things out. I didn't ask for them, they just sent them to me. This video, of course, is not sponsored. This is just something that I received in the mail, and I wanted to share with you guys because I think it's interesting, especially this extended selfie stick that is quite ridiculous. Anyway, this is everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.